another one of my favourites.
And then we've got Malcolm HARLE with the quarter scale Spit, 112 inch.
Again, if you like the Warbirds, be here on Sunday. We have the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight flying through with the fabulous Hurricane. Don't miss that. We've got a great weekend lined up for you.
Hey, Spitfire. Oh, look, he's got the retracts going the other way.
In my mind, it's the best Spitfire ever built, version.
47 Thunderbolt, which is a 5th scale Razorback. That's got a 90cc 2-stroke. Thunderbolt's got a ZDZ 90cc 2-stroke. I assume that's going to be a flat twin engine. A fast sky radio, and that is 112 inch. That's a big aeroplane part where you get it. So they're both exactly the same wingspan. Fly that, are you? Are you flying that again, Andy? Flies on it. So I think we're finishing flying at 6 o'clock. Then starts at 8 o'clock. Put your hands together, a couple of lovely Warbirds. So that's the P-47 just coming down, and the Spitfire's coming round for finals. Finals, we're doing a short punch. Look at this, very narrow on the carriage. He's got to get this just right. But he's good, he's good. Look at that, greaser. Again, round of applause to the Mark 9 Mick Reeves Spitfire.